Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So in this video I'm gonna talk about all the fruit plants that can be started from seeds in the month of April. But before that, if you are new to this channel or yet not have subscribed to it, then I request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon afterwards so that you'll get first a notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, share this video to as many people as you can with, write comments if you have any. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.